In a major development, the Latur water train has finally reached its destination. It is carrying 5 lakh litres of water for this parched area in Marathwada, which is battling the worst drought ever. Harman is live with us at the moment with more details. Yes, Harman, over to you. This must be a huge relief and respite for the people of Latur that finally a thing like this has worked out. A water train carrying 5 lakh litres has arrived in Latur.
Well, good morning, Afrida, and that's right. Well, earlier there were apprehension as to whether the first experiment would be successful or not. Clearly, the first one has, with the first water train containing around 5 lakh litres of water that has just arrived some time back. I've got the collector here, Mr. Pole, here with me. Sir, can you tell us exactly, the kind of hurdles that you had to, probably, this was one of the first experiments that we've seen, but the kind of hurdles that one had to see before the train could finally arrive here?
Basically, the Honorable Minister for Revenue Relief and Rehabilitation and Honorable Minister for Guardian were here on 5th of April. They had given me 15 days period. I could achieve it with the help of the other officers, employees, the contractor, and of course with the help of railway to achieve the first trial on 6th day. Today's train is basically a trial for testing the both ends capacity, filling capacity as well as unloading decanting capacity. We have made the decanting capacity for 10 wagons and remaining wagons will be made today itself. This decanting water is getting accumulated in a store and after that it will be purified and given to the common users, end users.
So, while the first train has definitely arrived, there have been certain issues as to the permissions that could have probably delayed. While the train did take so many hours to arrive, it could have arrived much earlier in case if those permissions were granted to it earlier. Also, there have been apprehensions also of, leakages at some sort. How are you trying to plug in those leaks?
Basically, this is the trial. Purpose of the trial train is just to have the first-hand experience of the difficulties at the both ends as well as during the transportations. The purpose was not to bring the train as fast as possible, but to experience what are the difficulties will be there, going to be there. And after listing these difficulties, we are planning to have a regular 2 trains, which will bring around 50 lakh litres to Latur city on a daily basis.
So also what is the total requirement of water in the area? And because remember, while this is some sort of relief as of now, but it is not as much as what is required, the water requirement is. So could you tell us in terms of the litres of water versus the requirement that people need?
Basically the population of the town is 5 lakh. As per scarcity norms, requirement is 25 MLD. The train is going to bring, when it starts a routine, it will bring 5 MLD.
So one train?
2 trains. 2 trains in total will bring 5 MLD. In addition to this train supply, we are going to get the functional Belkund water supply scheme within 2 or 3 days.
सरकार ने बड़ी खुशी का मौका दिया है हमें। जैसे लोग दीपावली और रमजान में जो खुशी मनाते हैं, ऐसी लातूर के लोगों को आज खुशी हो रही है। आप देख रहे होंगे पूरे लातूर शहर भर से लोग यहाँ पर सिर्फ ट्रेन देखने के लिए, रात भर कुछ लोग यहाँ पर ट्रेन देखने के लिए रुक गए थे। आज ये पानी का इतनी खुशी हो रही है कि लोगों को जो हम 15 दिन में 200 लीटर दे रहे थे, इसकी वजह से हम 5 से 6 दिन में दे सकते हैं। यहाँ पर पानी की समस्या थी और जिन्होंने दिया है उनको श्रेय मिलने दीजिए। हमें सिर्फ पानी चाहिए और जिसको लेना है लीजिए। यहाँ श्रेय का कोई विषय नहीं। यहाँ सभी पार्टियां मिलकर काम कर रही हैं और हमें श्रेय का नहीं। यहाँ पे हमारा दर्द यह है कि हम लोगों को आसानी से पानी दे सके। जिन्होंने दिया है श्रेय उनको ही मिलना चाहिए। हम उसमें हमारा कोई दो मत नहीं। नहीं, ज्यादा राहत इसे नहीं कर सकेंगे क्योंकि ये पानी जो वैगन से आ रहा है हम इसको टैंकर द्वारा देंगे। क्योंकि अगर नल द्वारा देना है तो इसको परमानेंट जो है सो सॉल्यूशन करना पड़ेगा। जो उजनी का पानी है उसका पर्याय है। अगर वो सरकार हमें उजनी का पानी देती है, जैसे कि हमने वेंकैया नायडू से मिला है और हमने मुख्यमंत्री साहब से मिला है, दोनों ने भी हमें वादा किया है कि हम आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। आने वाले दिनों में हमारे रिक्वायरमेंट भी ली है, 688 करोड़ रुपए लातूर के लिए लग रहे हैं और वो सरकार ने कहा है हम आपको आसानी से देंगे। 6 तारीख को मेरे वेंकैया जी से मुलाकात हो गई, जो ऑल इंडिया मेयर की कॉन्फ्रेंस थी उसके अंदर मैंने उनसे बात कर चुका हूं।